Hi, welcome to 210 Vista Del Monte in the Vista Del Monte neighborhood off Kennedy Road in Los Gatos. This is a very desirable neighborhood for its close proximity to K-12 top Los Gatos schools and downtown Los Gatos.
This lovely single-story home enjoys over 3,000 square feet of interior living space on a lot size that's about 11,000 square feet with a resort caliber rear yard. Pool, spa, and lovely gardens. You'll feel like you're at your own 5-star resort.
Inside, there are 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Volume ceilings and hardwood floors flow throughout the thoughtful floor plan.
Enjoy the tour. Imagine coming home every day to your own personal paradise with beautiful mountain vistas in your view.
The location is top-notch, with easy access to Los Gatos amenities and easy commute to Silicon Valley.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to scheduling a private showing with you.